Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this giant office chair from Sweet Crispy. I think this thing's gonna be worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, plenty of room here. Okay, I can put those up nicely there. You can see the padding on here. It's just incredibly soft and cushioned. I put this little pillow down here for extra lumbar if we want, or even up over the top here. Man, this is crazy comfortable, really nice. I like how these are adjustable as well. So I'm working on my keypad. If those are a little high or too low, then these can be adjusted as necessary. This little portion comes out, fits right on the caps there. Feels really nice and just tucks away super easily, just like that. You wouldn't even know it's there. Oh my goodness. And then that is just really comfortable. And then right back up here. So here we go. Let's, yeah. I'm super impressed with it, my friends. Really nice office chair here. This is gonna be my new chair. I had a gaming chair. It was comfortable, but I mean, you just get, this is on another level. So you can see just how cushiony and soft this thing is. Really impressed with it. Rolls nicely on my floor here. Feels super solid, really well built. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall over either. Some are like you lean back a little bit and like, whoa, is it gonna go over backwards? Not with this one. The wheels are a nice distance apart, so it doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall over or anything. Really good chair, my friends. Super comfortable. Really happy with it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Sorry I was a little long on the full assembly there, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see y'all next time.